The power of automation, how technology is streamlining work and changing industries. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be discussing about automation. Whether you're new to this subject or have some prior knowledge, we've got you covered with all the information you need. We'll be breaking down the key concepts and providing you with real-world examples to help you better understand automation. So if you're ready to dive in and learn more about automation, then stick around and let's get started. Automation has become an essential part of our lives, whether it is at home, in the office, or on the factory floor. Automation allows us to streamline processes, reduce costs, and increase productivity. In this video, we will explore what automation is, how it works, and how it is changing the way we work. Automation is the use of technology to perform tasks without human intervention. This technology includes robotics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and other computer technologies. Automation is used in a wide range of industries, from manufacturing to healthcare, transportation to finance. Automation works by using machines or software to perform tasks that would typically require human intervention. For example, in a factory, robots can be programmed to assemble products on an assembly line, reducing the need for human workers. In an office, software can be used to automate tasks such as data entry, scheduling, and email management. There are many benefits to automation, including 1. Increased efficiency. Automation can perform tasks faster and more accurately than humans, resulting in increased productivity and efficiency. 2. Reduced costs. By automating tasks, businesses can reduce labor costs and increase profitability. 3. Improved quality. Automation can perform tasks with greater accuracy, resulting in higher quality products and services. 4. Increased safety. Automation can perform tasks that are dangerous for humans, reducing the risk of injury or death in the workplace. 5. 24/7 operation. Machines can operate around the clock, increasing the amount of work that can be done in a day. Despite the many benefits of automation, there are also some challenges, including 1. Job displacement. As automation replaces human workers, some jobs may be lost, leading to unemployment and other economic issues. 2. High initial cost. The cost of implementing automation can be high, which can be a barrier for small businesses and startups. 3. Technical challenges. Implementing and maintaining automation systems can be complex and require specialized skills. 4. Security concerns. Automation systems can be vulnerable to cyber attacks, which can compromise sensitive data and disrupt operations. Overall, automation is changing the way we work and live, offering many benefits and challenges. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see more automation in a wide range of industries. While there are challenges to overcome, the benefits of automation are clear, and it will likely play a significant role in shaping our future. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And if you liked this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We appreciate your support and feedback, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting and educational videos in the future. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.